Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually hide menu items, hide the menu, add menu, and much more stuff about the menu. So first of all, make sure that you have opened the dashboard by going to the wordpress.com/wp admin. So it will be open something like that, and from here you put your username, email address, and password. So let's put it in here. And here we go, log in and let's go. So this page will be opened, and what we'll have to do is go to, for example, to your appearance. Here you can find the menus, or you can go to visit site, and this page will be open. Now we click on customizing here, and we go to appearance menus in here. Basically, if we created a new menu, which is something like that, you can add and remove items. So let's add all of these items in here. Now, how you can remove these items? Basically, you can just, for example, click on this and remove it. You can add it back by clicking on here and add it. Of course, it will work for other stuff. For example, this one, add again, remove this one, and can add it once again to it. Now we have to click on save, and it will be saved. The other method, which is going to here. From here you can edit to menus, and now let's check this, and from here you can add items. We can add all of that, and it will be showed at the top of your page, which will be something like that. So that's how you can actually add items. So how you can remove them, basically the same thing. Click on it, remove, click on it, remove, and add them back, for example, something like that. You can add even post. Can add a lot of stuff. You can reorder them by clicking like that. You can make a list, for example. Let's make a list, something like that, and click on publish. So if you hover on this one, it will be a list that you can click on it and find all the pages or posts in your page. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.